Hello and welcome to today's CPHI Milan webinar. I'm Victoria Ryder. I'm the Senior Event Operations Manager for CPHI Milan, and today I'll be showing you around your exhibitor manual. By now, you should have received an email to enter your exhibitor manual. If it's the first time that you're entering your exhibitor manual, you'll need to create an account. You can do this by clicking on the Create Your Account button. This asks for a couple of details, including your email address, a password, and your name. If you're registered as the main exhibitor contact for your stand, you'll already be recognized by the system and will receive an email to enter your exhibitor manual. If you've already entered the manual, you'll just need to enter your email address and password. I'm going to do that now. And then you'll be able to enter the exhibitor manual. If you have more than one stand, at this point, you'll be asked to select which stand you would like to see the manual for. You'll then be directed to your homepage. Your homepage is conveniently laid out with lots of key information, including your upcoming tasks, some announcements about important information or changes, your exhibitor timetable, key contacts, and the venue information. You also have this chat bubble in the bottom right-hand corner, and if you click on this, it opens a live chat with our Informa customer services team. You just need to enter a couple of pieces of information, and then press start conversation, and we'll connect you with an agent. We also have an important information section at the top of this page. This has a link where you can add users to your account by clicking here. As a space-only exhibitor, you'll need to add your contractor once nominated so that they can enter the manual and complete the tasks allocated to them. To add a user, click the Add User button, complete the information requested, and press OK. This will add the user to the platform and send them a welcome email. They can then log into the platform as demonstrated earlier. If I return to the home page, you can also find the number of open slides you have as part of this important information. By clicking here, you can see your stand type, space only, and the number of open slides. In this case, I have 2. The homepage also has a couple of PDF documents about how to create your account or how to share the access for colleagues and contractors. You can use these to share with your contractor so that when they log in for the first time, they understand what they need to do. Across the top of your landing page, you have a number of different options. Task list and web shop, which I will come back to later. Your stand, which gives it some key steps to start the planning for your space-only stand. Key documents. This one includes your space-only stand regulations, which you should share with your contractor. Free Milano technical regulations, hall technical documents, the logistics information from DSV, the exhibition code of conduct, how to add a stand sharer, how to have a stand party and the regulations related to this, health and safety information, sustainability information in regards to better stands, and an FAQ on the contractor's directory on course. Under event information, you can find announcements, information on the app, the event timetable, general information, travel and accommodation. Under promotional opportunities, you'll find information on promoting your presence and sponsorship, sustainability and better stands, and then finally FAQs and support. Here you can find a list of official suppliers, frequently asked questions, and how to contact us and our customer services team. If I navigate to the task page, you can view all the tasks which you need to do for the event. You can filter them by compulsory tasks, optional tasks, those that are overdue, and those that you've already completed by using the filter options at the top. You can also collapse or expand the task list. Looking at the mandatory tasks, you will see the stand plan inspection fee and the CPHI contractor's course. These are tasks for your contractor, so please make sure to add them to your exhibitor manual. You'll also find your exhibitor declaration form, which you need to complete to tell us what activities are taking place on your stand. You'll also find your badge registration form. When you click on this, it will redirect you to a page with information about how to register for your badges. If you scroll down the page, you will find this green exhibitor registration button. If you click on this button, it will redirect you to Visit Connect. You will need to send a code to your email address to be able to access the platform. Returning to the task list, you can find your Nominate Your Contractor form here, your Stand Party Request form. If you want to request a party, you'll need to complete this and make payment for the fee. You can also find your stand sharing form and the visa information. Navigating now to your web shop. Here you can find products offered by our official suppliers, including Adexpo, A-Booth, DB Pixel House, and Full Vision. You can add items to your basket by clicking on them, updating the quantity, and adding to your basket. The CPHI contractors course, which your contractor will be required to complete, can be found in the web shop, as can the SPI payment fee, located under the miscellaneous items. If you need high-vis vests because you'll be coming during the early stages of build-up and breakdown, you can order these here for collection on-site as well. And don't forget to order your space-only stand number for easy navigation at the exhibition. When you're ready to check out, you can use the basket icon in the top right-hand corner to go to your basket. From here, you can review the items that have been added, delete something if you don't need it, or generate a quote by using the print quote button if you need to get approval for the items you are ordering. When you're happy, you can proceed to the checkout. You'll then be asked to add or enter your additional information. I will do that now. You then have the opportunity again to review your items. The next option is the stand layout. Some options or items require you to identify where you would like them placed on your stand before checking out. If you have a purchase order number, you should add this here and then continue. This will then take you to a card payment page where you can check out using your credit card. If you require an invoice, please contact CPHI Customer Services or one of our suppliers who will be able to issue an invoice for you from the platform. That concludes our exhibitor manual demonstration for today. If you need to contact our customer services team, you can do so by using the chat in the bottom right-hand corner or by emailing cphicustomerservices@informa.com. Thank you.